friends, in today's video we are going to solve exercise 1.2 of chapter number 1, real numbers. So the various concepts which are involved in this exercise is prime factorization, HCF and LCM. Formula for HCF into LCM is product of two numbers. So as we will be solving the sum, I'll be explaining you the concepts involved. So now what is the first sum? First sum is we have to find the prime factorization of 140, 156, 3825, 5005, 7429. So let us see how to go about. Okay. So now what do you mean by the term prime factorization? You have to find all the prime factors of the given number. So here 1 will not come. Whenever they are saying write the prime factors, you should never write 1 as a factor because 1 is not a prime number. Okay. And whenever they are saying factors, you can write 1 as well. Now 140. So how will I write 140 as? 140, I start the division. For division, you should know some basic rules of, rules of division, like divisibility rule for 2. If the last digit is an even number, then it is divisible by 2. Divisibility rule for 3. If all the digits, sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. For 4, last two digits should be divisible by 4 or last two digits should be 0. For 5, last digit should be 0 or 5. For 6, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. Hence, we should know the divisibility rules. So we should start from the smallest prime number and then go ahead. Okay. So 140. So it is last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. 2 70s are, 2 7s are 14 and then 0. Again 2, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. 2 5s are, 5 7s are, 7 1s are. So 140 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So I will write it as 2 square into 5 into 7. So this is the question which is asked in the textbook. Other than that, sometimes they ask draw the factor tree. To draw the factor tree, you have to show it this way. So 140 is 2 multiplied by 70. Then this is a prime number, so you will keep it aside. Next 70 is 2 into 35 and 35 is 5 into 7. So this way you will show the factor tree. So in exam, if they ask show the factor tree, then you have to solve this sum as well. Okay. Now second question is 156. So last digit is a even number. It is divisible by 2. We start with 2. 2 7s are 14. 1. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 1. 2 9s are 18. 3 13s are and 13 1s are. So 156 is 2 into 2. 2 square into 3 into 13. You will not show 1 over here. So this becomes 156 if I want to show the factor tree. It is not asked in this question to show the factor tree, but many a times in exams they ask, okay, show the factor tree. In that case, you have to show it this way. 156 is 2 into 78. 78 is 2 into 39. 39 is 3 into 13. So this is how you will show the factor tree. Okay, please note down this sum. Let us look at the next numbers. 3825. The last number is odd, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will start with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 remainder. 3 7s are 21. 1. 3 5s are 15. Again 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 1 remainder. 3 5s are 5. 5 8s are 40. Remainder is 2. 5 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Remainder is 3. 5 7s are 35. And 17 1s are 17. So what do you get? 3825 is equal to 3 square into 5 square into 17. Correct? So this is how you will write the prime factorization. Next question is 5005. Again, start with 2, not possible. Check with 3. For 3, sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3. 5 plus 5 is 10, not divisible by 3. So next number is your 5. So 5 1s are 5. Then 0, it is not divisible. So 1 0, again 1 0 and 5 1s are. Next is 7. 7 1s are 7, 3, 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 2, 7 3s are 21. 11, 11 1s are 11. Remainder is 3, 11 3s are 33. 13, 13 1s are 13. So you can write 5005 as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay. Next number is 7429. If you check the divisibility from 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, it will not be divisible. Then you have to go for 17. So 17 4s are 68, remainder is 6, 17 3s are 51, remainder is 11, and you get 17 7s are 190. Then this number will be divisible by 19. So 19 2s are 38, remainder is 5, 19 3s are 57, and 23 being a prime number, it is 23. So 5005 can be written as 7429 can be written as 17 into 19 into 23. So this is how we write the prime factorization of 7429. Okay, please note down this sum.